How to insert a logo in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to open your Word document. Now click on the Insert tab at top left corner of the screen. Click Pictures and now locate the logo on your system. It's on my desktop so you can locate the logo on your device. Now click on Insert button and select the logo. Again click on Insert button and your logo will appear on your Word document. Now you can simply adjust the logo position as well. You can click on the logo to select it and you can simply go to the Format tab. And now you can easily choose the borders of your choice as well for your logo. And once you have selected the picture styles, you can click on the wrap text as well at top right corner of the screen and simply choose any kind of style for your text on your logo. Now you can place it any way of your choice. So you can resize it as well using this arrow buttons and place it anyway. Also, you can create a simple design, add some text or design elements to your document to complement the logo. You can place the logo wherever you prefer to complete your layout. Once you're done with it, you will successfully insert the logo in Microsoft Word. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.